To this new episode of Nutrition for Healthy Hair. So in this series, we are going to focus on how the foods we eat impact the health, shine, and strength of our hair. The course is going to be divided into 3 parts. The first one is dedicated to understanding the basics of nutrition. Second part will cover the biology of hair and especially its relation to nutrition and energy. In the final part, we are going to talk about specific nutritional deficiencies and how they impact the health of our hair. Nutrition is the science that studies how our bodies take and use food to support life and growth and health. So this involves 4 main processes. First is ingestion, which is the process of eating food. Digestion is breaking down food into smaller components. 3 is absorption, transferring those components into the bloodstream for assimilation, using those nutrients for energy and growth and repair. So in short, nutrition includes all the processes through which the body takes in and uses energy and nutrients to function properly. All the chemical substances found in food our body needs are called nutrients, and nutrients are divided into 2 categories: macronutrients and micronutrients. Macronutrients, our body needs them in large amounts, and they include carbohydrates, proteins, and lipids. Our job is to provide energy and build our body. Micronutrients, our body needs them in smaller amounts, but are also very important. These are the vitamins and minerals, support enzymes, and they maintain tissue. Let's go back to macronutrients. Macronutrients have 2 main functions. The first one is supplying the body with energy to perform all of its functions. And the second one is providing essential components that our body cannot make on its own, such as amino acids and essential fatty acids, which are very important for growth and repair. So when we eat these nutrients, our body digests and breaks them down through a process called metabolism. This takes us to how the body produces energy. Energy is the ability to do work, like moving muscles, sending nerve signals, or repairing cells. Every cell in our body, there are tiny structures called mitochondria, often called the powerhouses of the cell. These mitochondria use those nutrients we talked about to create something called ATP, adenosine triphosphate, the body's energy currency. Body produces is used in 3 specific ways. First, we have basal metabolism, keeping the body alive while the body is at rest, when we are sleeping, breathing, and for brain function, for physical activity, when we work out, walk, any kind of movement. And 3, the thermic effect of food. This is the energy required for digestion and absorption. If your energy exceeds what you use, the body stores that energy as fat, and if it's lower, the body starts using that stored fat or even muscle to make up for the deficit. Now, micronutrients, even though the body needs them in small amounts, they are very important. So 2 types of vitamins, but in general, they help regulate reactions, they support immunity, growth, and energy production. And then minerals are involved in building tissues such as bones and teeth and hair. Though they don't directly provide energy the way carbohydrates do, without them, the body and our hair cannot function properly. If you enjoyed this video and found the information helpful, don't forget to share it with someone who might benefit. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you again tomorrow.